Korean isn't about talent. It's really about method. And over the years, I noticed something interesting. The people who learn Korean fast all do the same few things. So, if you've been studying for a while and you still feel stuck, this might actually be the reason. A lot of Laurel tells me, I've been studying Korean for years, but I still can't speak comfortably. On the other hand, I've seen people who start speaking in just few months, and the difference isn't intelligence or natural ability. It's the way they study and the habits they build. As a Korean teacher, I've been working with learners from many different backgrounds, and the patterns are really clear. Fast learners don't memorize more. They don't study harder. They study smarter and in a very specific way. The first thing they do is this. They don't wait to speak perfectly. Korean has different politeness level, new sound, and grammar, they doesn't match English. If you wait until you understand everything, you will wait forever. Fast learners focus on being simple and clear, not perfect. They're okay with mistakes. They use short, friendly phrases instead of long textbook sentences. And because they speak more, their confidence grows faster. And then their accuracy naturally follows. The second thing fast learners do is speak first and study second. Slow learners usually only listen, watch videos, or read notes. Fast learners always start with their mouths, even just 10 minutes of repeating phrases out loud, or shadowing a short dialogue activates everything they learn. It's the difference between knowing Korean in your head and actually being able to use in real life. Speaking early, even badly, changes everything. And the third thing is consistency. Not 2 hours a day, not a huge study plan, just 10 to 20 minutes that they can keep doing every day. A tiny routine that repeat. If you want something simple to follow, try this. Review 5 basic phrases, listen to a short Korean clip and shadow it. Then use those phrases out loud to talk about your day or something simple. That's it. If you stay constant with the small routine, you will improve faster than someone studying for hours once or twice a week. And by the way, if you need useful phrases to practice with, I made a free PDF called 100 Essential Korean Sentences. It's full of real expression that beginners actually use in daily conversation. You can download it below and use those sentences for your 10-minute routine each day. The truth is, Korean isn't a hard language. You just need to write order and a routine you can actually stick to. And yes, you can absolutely learn faster than you think. I want to help you to make Korean feel simple, clear, and doable. If you want a structured path of beginner, I also create a beginner Korean course that teaches Hangul, pronunciation, essential grammar, and the most useful real-life phrases step by step. It's designed so you can speak from day one without fear overwhelmed. The link is also in the description if you want to check it out. I put the free Korean PDF, the practice video, and the beginner course link down below. Use them for your 10-minute routine today. One small step every day really adds up. If you start now, you'll be surprised at how fast you grow.